Here the question is saying a number is divisible by both 5 and the 12. By which other number will that number always be divisible? Alright. In the divisibility property, second, it was I think probably we had learned that if a number something like if a number like say 12 is divisible by 2, right, and the same number 12 is divisible by 3, right, it is divisible in 4 times, then 12 is divisible by the product of this 2 and 3 also. Product of this 2 and 3 also. It means actually 12 divided by 6 and 2 times. That was the property that we learned, that if a number is dividing, if 12 is being divided by one number and then another number, right, the same 12 number is divided by these two numbers, then 12 will be divided by the product of these two numbers also, right. It was something like any number you chose, like 10 is divisible by 2 also. Don't say 10, let's suppose this is 20. Okay, suppose 20 is divisible by 2 and 20 is divisible by 5 also. Alright, so 20 must be divisible by 2 times 5, the product of these two things. 2 times 5, that is 10. So 20 is divisible by 10 also. And we know that 10, if you divide 20 by 2 you'll get 10, and if you divide 20 by 5 you'll get 4, and 2 times 5, that is 10. So if you divide 20 by 10 you'll get 2. And this was the theorem, or you can say the divisibility property. So here the question is saying a number is divisible by both 5 and 12. I don't know the number, so I'm just making box. Is divisible by 5. I don't know in how many times, right, but it is divisible. It is divisible. And the same number is divisible by 12 also. I don't know in how many times, but this is divisible. It is given by the question, right? A number is divisible by 5 as well as 12. This is given by the question. So the same number, according to that theorem, must be divisible by 5 times 12. Must be divisible by the product of these two numbers. Alright, so 5 times 12, that is 60. So this number, whatever that number is, that is always and always divisible by the 60. Alright, right here, as when a number was divisible by 2 and was divisible by 3, so that number was always divisible by the product of 2 and 3, that is 6. Similarly here, if a number is divisible by 5 and then 12, then the number must be always divisible by 60. 5 times 12. Alright, it is something like this. I hope you understand this.